What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Download Cydia Tweak. In today's video I'm gonna show you an awesome Cydia tweak that you need to download. This tweak will add another module to the control center with any number of custom app shortcuts that they would like, and you can even add activator shortcuts to the control center. As you see, you will get this beautiful module that you can customize. This tweak is really amazing and I will show you step by step what you need to do to get it. Alright, now I'm gonna show you how to download and install the tweak. First, go to Cydia. Go to the sources here and add my source. After adding the source, go to the search here and search for Coeus Tweak. As you see, this is the tweak. Coeus Tweak, as I said, lets users add another module to the control center with any number of custom app shortcuts that they would like, and you can even add activator shortcuts to the mix. Users can choose how large or how small the module appears and the number of shortcuts that appear in it. Now just go ahead and install it. Hit modify, install, confirm. I already installed it, so I will not install it again. After installing the tweak, guys, go to the search again and make sure to install Activator Crash Fix tweak if you are on iOS 14. It's really important. Without this tweak, Coeus will not work as it will cause safe mode when you click on any toggle. So guys, this tweak will fix the crash problem when you use flip switch actions with Activator. You can find the two tweaks inside my source. After installing these tweaks, go to the home screen and open the settings to enable the tweak. Scroll down and open Control Center. Scroll down and search for Coeus module and add it. As you see, this is the new module. Now just put it wherever you want. I will put it on top. Alright, now I'm gonna show you how to add these toggles to this module. Go back to the settings and open Coeus Tweak Preferences. As you see, this is the tweak. Okay, here guys, I updated the tweak and changed the design. Here, go to the module settings. From here you can customize the module settings and also enable dark slider indicator. Here in collapsed option you can change and show how many toggles that you want to appear in the module. You can choose 5 or 4 or 3 icons or whatever you want. I will choose 5. Here you can enable paging option and also show labels. Here you can customize the expanded layout when you click and hold on the module. Okay, as you see, I will change it to 3. As you see, now I have 3 icons per page. Also, if you like, you can disable vertical mode if you don't like it. Okay, now here in toggles option, here you will add the toggles or the shortcuts you want to the Coeus module. Alright, I will remove Wi-Fi toggle and I will add it again. First, click add new toggle. Here type the name of the toggle you want. You can type anything you want. I will type Wi-Fi, click add, scroll down and open the toggle. Here in glyph, choose one of the present toggles. Okay, I will search for Wi-Fi. That's it. Here you can use SF symbols if you like. The last option here is the most important option. Here in Activator you need to select an activator switch. Because I chose Wi-Fi switch, I will search for switches. Okay, open it. Now here scroll down and select Wi-Fi. Now hit save. Alright guys, after adding the toggles you want, just arrange them as you like. After making any changes, make sure to click respring to apply and save the changes. Okay, as you see here, here is the Wi-Fi module. You can add more toggles or even app shortcuts so you can quickly open them from Control Center. Okay, I will add an app shortcut. Here select the app, I will select Instagram. Here in Activator scroll down and look for user apps. Okay, this is the user apps. Here select the app you want. I will select Instagram. Hit save. Now just click respring to apply and save the changes, and that's it. Coeus Tweak, guys, is really amazing tweak, and it includes 70 preloaded glyphs. One thing I like about Coeus is that even if you don't plan to use it to launch different apps, you can still use it to invoke activator actions of your choosing. You can pick between making shortcuts for one or the another, or creating an interface dedicated to both app shortcuts and activator actions all in one place. Moreover, Coeus Tweak includes 70 preloaded glyphs right out of the box for some of the App Store's most popular apps. Okay guys, you will find my source below this video. Alright guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and peace.